This is part 2 of the train station. I hope you guys enjoy. Right now, we're currently going to blank location because I don't want you to find me. Look at that river. Nice. Power plant or something. Always seen those. This is a tough ride. Listen. Isn't that a pleasant sound? I love that sound. So this is the decor. Looks nice. No, I'm not here by myself. I have friends. Looks nice, right? Nice train. Look at these fine textures. Nice. Well, this has been part 2. Part 3 is out. So enjoy. We're coming.